Today we're uncovering a powerful ancient remedy you probably already own: castor oil. Pressed from the Ricinus communis plant, castor oil has been used for thousands of years for everything from skincare to digestive health. While many know it as a laxative, its benefits go far beyond that. Just 2 drops before bed can support digestion, hydrate skin, and even help you sleep better. The secret? Ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid responsible for its therapeutic effects. Forget unpleasant spoonfuls. A microdose is all you need for real results. We'll explore the science, practical uses, and safety tips so you can confidently add this ancient oil to your wellness routine. Ready to unlock the potential of castor oil? Let's dive in. Castor oil's most famous use is for gentle digestive relief. Just 2 drops before bed can help ease occasional constipation by working with your body's natural rhythms. Ricinoleic acid stimulates gentle contractions in your intestines, moving things along without harsh side effects. Unlike strong laxatives, this microdose approach is gentle and less likely to cause cramping or urgency. It's a natural short-term solution, perfect for those times when your system needs a nudge. Always use high-quality food-grade oil and start small to see how your body responds. If digestive issues persist, consult your doctor. Think of castor oil as a smart natural tool for occasional digestive support. Use it wisely for smooth, comfortable mornings. Castor oil is a skin savior for dry, rough patches. Its thick, rich texture draws in moisture and locks it in, making it a powerful hydrator. Packed with ricinoleic, oleic, and linoleic acids, it strengthens your skin barrier and protects against dryness. Apply a drop to dry spots or mix with your night cream for an all-over glow. A little goes a long way. Wake up to softer, more radiant skin. Always patch test first, especially if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. Its antimicrobial properties can help, but its thickness may clog pores for some. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Castor oil is a simple, affordable alternative to expensive serums. Try it for a natural boost to your nightly routine. For minor cuts and scrapes, castor oil is a gentle, effective remedy. It keeps wounds moist, speeding up healing and reducing scarring. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help protect against infection and soothe irritation. Clean the wound, pat dry, and apply a thin layer of castor oil. Cover with a bandage if needed. It's a natural alternative to over-the-counter ointments for small injuries. For deeper wounds or signs of infection, always see a doctor. Keep castor oil handy for quick natural first aid. Castor oil can even boost your oral hygiene, especially for denture wearers. Soaking dentures in a castor oil solution helps reduce harmful bacteria and yeast, easing gum inflammation. Add a teaspoon of castor oil to a glass of water and soak dentures overnight. It's a natural, chemical-free way to keep dentures clean and comfortable. Oil pulling with castor oil may also support gum health for non-denture wearers. Always maintain regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. For persistent oral issues, consult your dentist. Castor oil is a simple addition to your oral care routine. Castor oil can help you wind down for restful sleep. Dab a tiny drop on your eyelids or mix with lavender oil for a calming bedtime ritual. The soothing sensation and gentle moisture can relax tired eyes and quiet your mind. Massage a blend into your temples or feet for extra relaxation. This nightly self-care routine signals your body it's time to rest. Good sleep is essential for health. Let castor oil be part of your routine. Try it tonight and see if it helps you drift off more easily. Sweet dreams.